Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of a vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Now remove the fabric covering on the battery. Using a socket wrench, an extension and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the battery. You can now remove the fastening plate. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the fabric covering back on the battery. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Close the fabric covering. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.